Thank you for the invitation to participate today, and thank you to take this initiative here in our city in Copenhagen. I believe this is a valuable initiative, and I am committed to promoting the relationship and collaboration between Christians and Jews. I'm deeply concerned about the situation in the Middle East and how families and civil society can manage daily life in these circumstances. For me, it is essential that a democratic society like Israel has the right to defend itself. And the free world must support democratic Israel's right to uphold its sovereignty. I hope that the suffering and hardship will soon come to an end. As mayor for schools, I'm very mindful of ensuring that the conflicts in the Middle East do not spill over into schoolyards in Copenhagen, streets and homes here in Copenhagen. Our goal is for Copenhagen to be a safe place where dialogue across religions and ethnicities thrives. This is vital to the daily safety and well-being of everyone in Copenhagen, including the Jewish community. Thank you for the opportunity to speak here, and I wish you a successful continue of the day. Thank you for the initiatives.